Hi everyone, today we'll be graced by a very special guest. He is a journalist, painter, muralist, and even a choir member. Let's welcome our physics counselor, Meg Fuentes. So how are you these days?
Okay, these days, busy ko sa Moang Council because we are doing our strategic planning in Casco.
Can you nag-start as an artist?
Okay, way back when I was a child. Because kung magugpo ka ng a very sentimental person and I want to capture everything that I see and then kana pong mga na-capture na ko is nagi na siya memories ako. For example, yung akong iro gyud, akong iro sa una which is si Pauti gid ang ngalan kay na dead man, so I gidraw na ko siya as a way of kanabitang respect na ko iyang kuan and then to cherish the moment bitaw nga nako sa iya.
So bata pa lang ka na nakay love for art
Yeah.
and in the making naka of being an artist. Wow. Kinsa nag-inspire pud sa imo to do arts?
Okay, since I was a child, I was inspired by my father. Although in not a way nga kanabitang inspired nga kanitang sada kay pero akong mga papa is very playful and then gadraw-draw man siya sa ako ang mga notebook sa una and then adapt po na ko bitang iyang mga gusto ginabuhat. So, moto na na-inspired ko and then mas na-boast din lang ako ang pag-artist when I was in high school and as well as elementary. So, elementary ko, I joined journalism and then yeah, I choose the event of editorial cartooning in English and then fortunately I topped to national.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nationalist.
Yeah.
So, what was your greatest artwork na feeling mo, gusto niyo pinaka-tsadal ako na buhat?
Well, my greatest artwork nga feel gin ako nga mugi pinakatsada ginang nabuhat is katong DPOT. Tong
Tifot Division
Festival of Talents. Kung mo nga time is matagibira ko talit ba without knowing na kabalo po ko mo drawing. Katong nga time is so kung ko kanang self-service ko ato nga time and then I joined the contest and then nawan po siya po and then kato siya nga art na ko is kuan very memorable kasi sa ko tungod ato is naka-communicate ko or naka-socialize with other person as well as kuan pud ka nang natagamit ako o kanang credits or sanay compliment bitaw nga or kanang advice and pudayon ko sa art because I have potentials in that and then it's very pleasurable sa ako ang part kay as a person nga kanang lack of self-esteem then dili kayo confident bitaw and also dili mo kay kumaayo gud mo receive of compliments but ato yung compliments is really a big deal because ako
So, what makes it great is the memories and the meaning behind,
Yeah.
the story behind the art. Okay, that's nice.
yeah, thank you.
So, ano yung purpose kad sa imong art?
Well, my purpose of my art, there is only a phrase to express, not to impress. Because doing art is about self-expression. As a person who is a very introvert, nagani ka lang is na-improve na. But I express myself in doing art. For example, when I am sad, I do art. When I am angry, I do art. When I am happy, most especially, I do art. Because in that way, I can capture that moment, my emotion. I can capture that emotions in that time nga. Makaingon din ko nga, ay, kanina time, mo din niya akong gibati. Ay, kanina time. Nung magkatawahan na lang din kung ano nabuhat ko, hindi na siya.
Or siya diary mo
Yeah.
in a form of art. Pero di ba kay editorial cartoonist podcast, so
Yes.
your
Yeah, as
art kay
more on relevant ako ang art
Yeah.
sa current events and through that art is a self-expression so it's also your opinion and then
Wow.
through editorial cartooning I can share my opinion sa ato ang current events diri here in Philippines as well as nationwide. Oo.
So, say mong jobs as an artist.
Number one is mural, other one is painting and yeah, dahil ta focus sa duha ka focal points. First is, nag-start ko mural when I was in grade 8. First ako nga commission is among school, which is the San Miguel National High School. Now, katunga time is gitagaan ko, dako kayo nga wall, and then, nag-mural ko dira. And then, although gamay kay mga bata, pero, wala na ko na I can't do it. It's just that, nakoy mo nga to never surrender. Kay, man good, ang pinaka-mistake mo yun is, dili ka mo try. Mo ginako pinaka-mistake niyo is not to try. And then, mupod na ako ang prinsipyo yun.
Do you have other jobs aside being an artist?
Aside being an artist, also, it is not a job but a responsibility in my society, as well as in my college, the College of Arts and Sciences, the CAS. Because I am a physics counselor now and doing some job relatable to the students and the well-being of students, kay ganahan ko kay I can help them in a way nga although small siya, but for me it's a big thing.
So, ano sa'yo mo maingon sa mga aspiring artist out there?
Sa mga future artists, dira is ayaw mo o kaulaw bitaw nga mo try og art because in that way manggod kay mapakita nga mong kaugalingon. And then although sa panahon karon is we can't express ourselves in a way nga we can, so through art you can express yourself too.
Next story shows that we all have the power to express ourselves through art. His journey inspires us to unleash our creativity and share our unique voices with the world. By embracing our artistic side, we can shine brightly and inspire others to do the same.